slows. I see the skin, I see the scar. Let the heat leave the bone. I grant the spirit rest. No more war within, only the salt, only the breath. Your face is a mirror of mine, the same dust, the same weight. I lay down the stone, I offer the water. We are the horizon, bound by the sun. Time is a lake unrippled, clear, deep. I am here, you are here. Peace.